Measure the temperature split by comparing the thermostat return air to the nearest supply vent for a clear read on cooling effectiveness. Start by locating the return air path and the nearest supply vent for the conditioned space you are testing. Use a reliable digital thermometer or probe and allow the system to run for at least 15 minutes at a steady cooling call so readings stabilize. Measure the return air temperature as close to the air handler return grill or the thermostat sensor as you can without blocking airflow. Measure the supply air temperature at the closest supply register to the air handler, holding the probe deep enough into the airstream but not touching the metal or plastic of the register. Subtract the supply temperature from the return temperature to get the temperature split and compare that to the expected target of 18 to 22 degrees Fahrenheit for properly functioning systems. If the system is humidifying or defrosting, account for those conditions because they will alter sensible cooling and the apparent split. Common mistakes include measuring at a distant register, which gives misleading high splits, so always use the supply closest to the handler and the return nearest the thermostat. Another frequent issue is taking readings immediately after startup, which gives transient values, so run the system for at least 15 minutes before recording temperatures. A third problem is using a thermometer that is not properly calibrated or placing the probe against the register face, which warms or cools the sensor. So use a calibrated instrument and suspend the probe in the airstream without contact. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors by providing an easy place to post projects and search for tradespeople relevant to cooling and heating work. We also support contractors by connecting them with homeowners seeking work and hosting an active discussion community where users and pros share tips and troubleshooting experiences.